इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर वेरी डिलीशियस एंड देसी रेसिपी ऑफ beef with cauliflower. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of beef with cauliflower. So here are the ingredients. Water 1 liter, oil half cup, beef half kilogram, chili powder 2 tablespoon. You can adjust spice as per your taste. Spice powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cauliflower 1 kilogram, green coriander for garnishing, onion 2, garlic a head, ginger 1.5 inch piece, green chilies 6 to 7, tomatoes 4. So firstly I am going to freshly crush ginger and garlic for this recipe. It gives really good flavor in a dish. So for this I am peeling garlic cloves. Now they are peeled. Now I will peel ginger with the help of peeler. After this, simply wash both vegetables and make small pieces of ginger. Then I am going to crush both in the pestle with mortar. And always use freshly crushed ginger and garlic in your food for better flavors. Now they are crushed. Now peel the onions. Then slice them thinly. Now they are sliced. After it, I will slice tomatoes. Firstly, I am removing its top and bottom part. Now I am slicing them. Now they are sliced as well. Now in this pot I will take all beef, then all crushed ginger and garlic, then thinly sliced onion and tomatoes, then oil and 2 glasses of water, then salt, and mix it and let it boil. Now it is boiling. Cover it and let it cook. Meanwhile, I will show you how to cut cauliflower, and I will use its stem and leaves as well. Cut like this. Cut second cauliflower in same way, then wash it. I am showing you food's condition after half an hour. Now add chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and mix it and let it cook for more half an hour so that beef get well tender. Now you can see the condition. Meat is well tendered and even onion and tomatoes are completely mashed and made a smooth gravy. Stir fry beef on high flame for 5 to 10 minutes like this. Then add all cut cauliflower. And mix it really well. This dish is my personal favorite. Must try it, you will love it as well. Now add 2 glasses of water and mix it. Cover it and let it boil. Now you can see approximately after 5 minutes it's boiling. Cover it again and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium-high heat on. And here I have green coriander, chopped ginger, julienne cut, and I am cutting top and bottom of green chilies. And then I will discard them. And now you can see cauliflower is well tendered and water is evaporated and oil comes up. At this point I am sprinkling spice powder, whole green chilies that I have cut, julienne ginger and green coriander and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I am dishing it out. And garnishing it with julienne ginger and green coriander. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share this recipe with your family and friends. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I will upload a new video. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in description. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.